So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to like a video in TikTok. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the TikTok app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. And this is the home page of your TikTok account, and to like a video you can even scroll down below and you can simply tap twice in your screen like this, then like will be automatically generated, or you can even tap on heart shape which is available on the right side of your screen. So tap here, then see. By the help of two different methods, you can simply like your TikTok videos. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.